about today is Pre-Algebra Unit 2, Lesson 5, Combining Like Terms. The homework that goes along with this is page 8. Alright, you want to pause your video right now and do these problems. Alright, let's take a look at these. This is negative 8 divided by positive 2. When you're dividing and the signs are different, the answer is negative, so negative 4. This is a subtraction problem. You need to change it to add the opposite. We make 2 marks. Negative 8 plus 2. The signs are different, so I subtract and take the sign larger, negative 6. This means negative 8 times negative 2, which is positive 16. 4 is negative 8 divided by negative 2, which is positive 4. This is subtraction. Add the opposite, so negative 10. And 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. That's a good review of our integers. All right, again, pause and do these 2 problems. First one, we're going to use the distributive property. This is 5 times the quantity 6x plus 2. 5 times 6x is 30x. Positive 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, so 30x minus 10. This problem, I need to figure out what the greatest common factor is. I'm going to do the distributive property backwards. What can I divide both of these numbers by? I can divide by 2. So the math that I'm going to do is divide these by 2. 6g divided by 2 is 3g. Positive 14 divided by 2 is positive 7. You can check to see if you're right by using the distributive property, and we will get what we started with. Alright, so today we are going to talk about combining like terms. It's simplifying algebraic expressions. A term is each part of an algebraic expression that is separated by an addition or subtraction sign. For example, 6x plus 2y minus 8. We've got 1, 2, 3 terms because they are separated by addition or subtraction sign. Like terms have the same variable to the same power. Like 6x and 8x. They are like terms because they both have an x to the first power. A constant is a term without a variable. In other words, just a number. Alright, in this part of the note, we're going to call these either terms or like terms. These 2 are just terms because they don't both have an x. These are like terms because they are both constants. There's no variable. X and y, those are just terms because the variables are not the same. 3x and 4x are like terms because they both have an x. 3x squared and x are just terms because they're not to the second power. 3y squared and y squared are like terms because they both have a y and they are both to the second power. Alright, often a variable does not have a number in front of it. In this case, there is understood to be a 1 in front of it, and in front of the variable, and there's also understood to be 1 in the power, or the exponent. So, like b is really 1b to the first. That's what b is. Negative a is negative 1a to the first. But we don't write this 1 and this 1. It's just understood to be there. Alright, combine like terms. The best way I can explain this is this expression right here is really like 5 monkeys plus 9 monkeys plus 1 monkey. They are all monkeys. They're all like terms. They all have m's. So 5 monkeys plus 9 monkeys is 14 monkeys, plus this 1 monkey is 15 monkeys. I can add those together or combine like terms because they are the same. This one, I've got 3 apples plus $2, whatever, plus 4 apples. If I put those in a bowl, can I add 3 apples plus 4 apples and get 7 apples? I don't have anything to add to this $2, so just bring down plus 2. So our final answer here, simplified, is just 7a plus 2. I cannot with the same number of underlines. So the like terms, 3n plus 7n is 10n. Negative 2r. Notice, negative 2r plus 9r. Negative 2 plus 9 is positive 7r. Because I'm doing this. Negative 2 plus 9 is 7r. I don't have anything to add to this negative 5, so I just bring down minus 5. That's my final answer. Negative 4x